तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। वेलकम बैक टू अनदर गेमिंग वीडियो। आज हमारे पास जो गेम प्ले वीडियो है वो UFC5 का है। स्टार्ट करते हैं। बहुत ही मज़ेदार गेम प्ले कैरेक्टर सेलेक्ट कर लिया है मैंने, और जिस तरह के आप लोगों ने देखा था कि लास्ट गेम प्ले के अंदर बहुत ही बुरी मार पड़ी थी हमें। इस बार मैंने थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस की है। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग को ये गेम प्ले पसंद आए, और अगर पसंद आता है तो लाजमी तौर पे दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दें। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके दोस्तों का शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि वीडियो की कुछ मजा हो। तो जी शुरू करते हैं।
But he doesn't discriminate, right? He has heard some people suggest that he can be taken down with relative ease. Della Maddalena is a worker. He has spent a lot of time working on his wrestling and his grappling because in this lower welterweight division, there are a lot of good wrestlers and a lot of guys, because of JDM's boxing prowess, are going to be looking to take this man to the floor. Oh, look at that head snap back as he connects with another uppercut. Not the first time he's landed that weapon tonight.
That's his best shot, man. He's so good at it. He's so good at finding it. And when you think you got a beat on the right uppercut, he shifts his weight off to the side and lands it on the left side. What a great understanding of landing that punch.
Well, he's landed a few big uppercuts already. I will bet you his opponent's really on the ropes.
His opponent's on Beat Street. He's hurt so bad. I don't know what he's going to do to stay in this fight.
प्रैक्टिस करने से जाओ है, प्रैक्टिस करने से जाओ है।
What a fight! My goodness, what a fight!
Well, DC, headgear's not allowed, but he has raised the hands and he's doing a nice job protecting the dome.
He's doing a great job of blocking his head. A lot of times, those shots to the head will knock you out. Not this time. This guy's making sure nothing lands.
Oh, bad. Not get a stoppage here. Oh, big knee there.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, so another swing and a miss. And I'd imagine if your gas tank is this low, you got to find times to try to preserve that energy and get yourself back to a place where you can actually roll out some damage.
Yeah, you got to get out to space. Find position.
That's it.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, that smile on his face is only going to be surpassed by the zeros on
तो गाइस, जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि आप दोबारा से नॉकआउट हो चुका है। इट्स बिन 5th मैच और बिल्कुल भी जो है वो यार चीज़ें जो है वो समझ नहीं आ रही हैं, और दोबारा से जो है वो मैं ट्राई करूँगा एक और राउंड के लिए। देखते हैं कि यार इस बार
Western Australia's Jack Della Maddalena. You know what he can do with his jab. Undeniable death touch power with both hands. But at times his kryptonite has been the wrestling. Not to suggest that people have taken him down at will, but this division, unlike a lot of others, has mostly wrestlers and grapplers in that top 10. And you got to think Jack Della Maddalena has shored up that part of his game, knowing that most of these combatants are going to try to take him down.
That was a beautiful hook. It landed perfectly, and it hurt his opponent very bad.
Oh, man, I can barely get the Fight Clock sponsor out. These gentlemen are going at it.
They are here to fight tonight. I cannot wait for this fight to continue. Oh!
Oh, and now an uppercut.
Oh!
यार शिट,
That is going to do
पोज करते हुए यार।
I mean, you got to be kidding me with that knockout.
गाइस, जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि यार पोजिंग करना जो है यहाँ पे महंगी पड़ गई मुझे। पोज करना था यार, और उसकी बहुत बुरी तरीके से मार लगा और वो आउट हो गया। यार गाइस, अगर आप लोगों को ये गेम प्ले अच्छा लगा है तो चैनल को लाजमी तौर पर सब्सक्राइब कर दें और वीडियो को दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिएगा। और मुझे नहीं इजाज़त, अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं। टिल देन खुदा हाफिज़।